Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I happen to be Rhonda, and I love saying things. I just got my digits done, and I feel super sparkly and precocious. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm going to ask you to please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That would be super. And today I'm very excited. I am finally getting into the Instant Eye Palette, Smoky Eyes Are Forever, from Charlotte's Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury, she makes very fine eyeshadow, she does. I like to put them on my eyeballs. This is what the palette packaging looks like. It's gorgeous. It is totally gorgeous. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And it is literally like my perfect color story. Like, I would totally have coordinated this, like this part, not so much, but like this, these three. Fuck yeah, it's so good. I can't wait to put them on my eyes. But first, let's look at some swatches, shall we? In 1, 2, 3, bam! And it starts all the way down here. It's a very pale color, but this is what it looks like swatched, and it is spectacular and stunning. It's hard for me to pick where to start with an eye look because it's all so beautiful. I'm really leaning towards doing the greens and the tans and the browns. But I could use some of this with some of that. It's not restricted to just 3 colors only. I can do what I like because I have control of the power of the puffy brush. Oh Lord. Let's get in here with a little lightness here. It's like a nice cream color. Just to set the eyes, get the tone started, get the party started. And you can't really tell anything, but it's setting a base for the rest of the eyeshadows because it's all about that base, that base, that base, that base. Remember that song? I didn't sing it to the right tempo, but you know what song I'm talking about. I know you do. Put a little bass in your face. I'm going to go into this color here and put it in the crease. Oh, it's much darker than I expected, and it's totally super pigmented, but it's blending out very nicely. At first I was kind of like, but it's super pretty. It just blends like a dream. And that is a great base for this. It's gorgeous. And this is from the Power Eyes. The first part is called Love Eyes, then Power Eyes, and then Happy Eyes, and then Confident Eyes. So we're going for Power Eyes today. Power eyes, they're coming for you. They're gonna give you a thing or two. I don't know. I just made that up. Power eyes. Oh, like it's caffeinated. I wish it was caffeinated. I'm a wee bit on the tired side today. I had a long day. I went to the dentist at the dental school. We have a really great dental school here. And I got there early and it was cold, and then it was hours of being there. Each appointment is allotted for 3 hours, so it's a lot. I'm going to go into this beautiful green now. So pretty. Oh, it's so beautiful. That is looking marvelous. All about that powered eyes. I'm just kind of winging it. Doing a little different than I normally do. But that's all right. Makeup is for fun. Makeup is fundamental. All right, that looks fantastic. I'm gonna clean this brush off and go into this darker green. To give the drama. There's no fallout. This is really cool. These are some dark and beautiful eyes. Now for the lid, I'm going to go into, let me see how that swatches. Yeah, I'm going to go that on the lid. And that's showing up very beautifully. And these pans just feel so buttery and pigmented and smooth. And now a little liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have the liner and mascara, and I really think it makes this eye look pop. And we're going to go into, I believe, a nice nude, like Christmas cookie. Where is Christmas cookie? From Jeffree Star. That is Christmas cookie. This looks so pretty. I'm so excited that I have this palette. The Instant Eye palette from darling Charlotte Tilbury. I can't wait to do more looks with it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.